I'm gonna put this ag tire on this lawnmower rim. This is a mixture of about 20% soap and water. So you really want it nice and soap. I use Dawn dish soap. Something I need to pay a lot of attention to is making sure that the tread is pointing the right direction, since these are directional. Soap it up good. These are super stiff tires, which makes it a little tricky. Sometimes you get the tire in the deep part of the rim, like the small diameter part. Over here, you can just kind of force it on. So I was able to get that on with no tools. Now I'm almost certainly going to need tools to get this second half on though, but we'll see. Get it in the deep spot here if I can, which is going to be tricky because look at how stiff. Put my whole weight on here and it still won't even go in. So what I'll do is I'll take a tire lever. I'm just going to hold it. And then I'll put one here. What I really want to do is get this down tucked in if I can. These first couple, I can take kind of a bigger bite. And then as we start to build some tension, we're going to take a little bit smaller bites. I'll put the spoon in upside down like this, push it in, and then I'll flip it. It's just a little easier on my rim. This is where you really wish you had an extra hand, because your tire lever could definitely go flying if you're not careful. So just try to hold it down by whatever means necessary, and keep your face out of the path where it could fly. See, I'm just alternating, taking small bites. Pretty far. I really want to try to tuck this in down here. See how it's tucking down in? I think I can take this lever off just for the sake of having an extra hand. Work it. Yeah, now that we're tucked in, I think it's going to go right on. Right here. See, it's pushed down. Watch your fingers here, because you could pinch them. There it goes. I think these tires should be pretty easy to seat. I don't actually see any air gaps around here because they're just so kind of sprung outwards. So what I'll do is I've got my air compressor cranked up just to get a lot of air flow, and I'm just going to use this tip. I think it might flow a little bit better than my inflator tip. I've got no valve core in here, and we'll see if we can get it to seat. I think we got it. Yep. So if you do have gaps around here where you think it's going to be difficult to seat, you can put a ratchet strap around here to kind of squeeze the outside of the tire in and try to fill those gaps. You can lube it up with that same soapy water that we used, and try to kind of push it and get it kind of started. You're not going to get it started on the bead, but you can hopefully get it started on the thick part here. I think I'm going to pump these up to about 20 psi. Max is 32, but my tractor is really not that heavy.